Good day, sir.
2 minutes.
Good day, sir. So we thank you for patronizing us. We want to ask you, how did you feel about our services? How marvelous is the work, and how neat do you think the work is?
It's very neat, absolutely. And to start with the job, it's neatly done. And I can see from here to this angle. This is why I choose Felicity instead of Tubla. Because it looks very portable and customized. And here you can see everything is in order. The battery is still charging while we're on the electricity, NEPA. So the job is satisfied.
So, sir, please, I know I've taken much of your time. What do you tell other people that is here that want to use solar? How are you encouraging them? And what do you have for them?
Me being an ICT person, I know the importance of solar. And knowing very well that solar is just a way of generating power from the sun into your home. So it is very durable, especially when you go for a good product like Felicity. And it's economical. That's just it. And you don't have to make noise to stop them while you're using solar. So solar is perfect and fantastic.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, we appreciate you. We appreciate you, and we hope that.
I'll call you guys some other time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.